In this video, you'll see why you should never plant a Norway maple tree. This is a 75-year-old Norway maple tree. This Norway maple is planted right next to a driveway. The only reason the roots aren't in the driveway is because the vehicles keep compressing the roots and breaking them off. And people driving up on the edge of the driveway kill off the roots there as well, making this tree go into a slow decline. This is the flat lawn behind that tree. And as you can see, the roots are all on the surface of the ground, making lawn mowing almost impossible. What would this do if you had this tree next to your driveway or next to a walkway, a swimming pool, or the foundation of your house? This tree should not be planted. It's highly invasive and it's also a hazard for your landscape. It will likely cost about $1,000 to take down this tree, haul the junk wood away, and to stump grind it. To repair the lawn and the hillside around the tree would be another couple $100. Is this tree worth that amount of money? Why plant a tree like that when you can plant other trees such as October Glory or Sunset Red Maple that are not as invasive and don't have the invasive surface roots that this Norway maple tree has? The October Glory and the Sunset Red Maple have beautiful fall color. Why not plant something that's less of a problem to your landscape? If you need tree or plant selection help, you can call us at Highland Hill Farm on Route 313 in Fountainville. We will deliver and plant trees and shrubs, but we do not stock or deliver and plant Norway maple trees.